You probably wouldn't believe it if I said how perfectly our first date plays in my head. A black long sleeve shirt by the university gate, mango smoothie in hand from the place I said was great. Just a slip of the tongue, but you kept it in mind. You looked so shy, but you left your fears behind. Used every ounce of courage just to meet face to face, and everything about you was too cute to replace. I knew right then I couldn't let this fade away. Do you know that every time the raindrops start to fall, when I'm holding an umbrella, facing it all, you are the very first thing on my mind, the sweetest memory I could ever find. Just the two of us under one umbrella that night, at the festival where everything felt so right. Talking every evening like we've known each other since birth. The most effortless connection on this earth.